Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. This drive follows Interstate 20 as it passes through Birmingham, a major transportation and industrial center in central Alabama. Interstate 20 runs east to west across the southern United States, linking Texas to South Carolina, and this section plays a key role in regional travel and commerce. Birmingham was founded in 1871 at the intersection of major rail lines, chosen specifically for its proximity to iron ore, coal, and limestone. Those resources fueled rapid industrial growth and earned Birmingham the nickname the Magic City. The interstate corridor we're traveling today parallels routes once dominated by railroads, furnaces, and factories that powered the city's early economy. Interstate 20 was developed as part of the Federal Interstate Highway System authorized in 1956. Construction through Birmingham took place mainly during the 1960s and 70s, further cementing the city's position as a transportation hub. The highway improved long-distance travel but also reshaped neighborhoods and commercial districts, reflecting broader urban changes happening across the country at the time. This stretch of highway offers a fast-moving view of Birmingham's evolution from industrial powerhouse to modern southern city. Interstate 20 continues to serve as both a connector and a reminder of how transportation has shaped Birmingham's past and present. watching!